Yes, my people, I greet all of you now. Say how na day, anywhere you day all over the world. I hope you are okay. You must be okay because this one na Pinnacle TV, Pinnacle TV, and the program now talk your mind with St. Courage. I did here Grigba for this program because this program now for you to talk your mind, and we dey look into many things, many issues, and we'll see big guests come. You'll see tell us what it really mean, what the thing really mean, and he go explain it for us. So now we come. So today now we want to look into many things where they feel cause accident, where people feel just die, but people know they too look that place. And once you look into the profession where people they ignore, and that profession they make money for people. So because of people they complain, say no work for Nigeria, no this one, no that one. That's why we come bring this professional for this very field of Organizer Association of Nigeria. He dey here Gidigba. He go introduce himself proper so that una go know who dey here. Oga, I greet you.
I greet you, sir. Salute you, sir.
Yes, introduce yourself to our people.
My people, I greet you now. My fathers and mothers, I greet you now. My name now Uyi Gobadia. I am the state president of Organizer Association. I greet you now.
Okay, Uyi Gobadia, state president
of Organizer Association.
State president. You know, be supposed to be state chairman, state governor. So, una no get for Abuja.
No, when I mean state president, we say we get chairmen around the state. You know, those states get the zones. So we get chairman around all the zones. 191 zones around the as ward. So by the grace of God, I will be the state president. So them actually the head like governors for each of their units.
Okay, that means apart from Edo State, we don't get Organizer Association anywhere.
We get a national association. I'll be also national coordinator as well.
Okay, national association, you na coordinator.
By the grace of God.
What you na call the Oga for national?
National president.
National president, you na state president. Okay. The way they talk, it be like you go school small.
No, book I don't know.
You don't know book.
When I know my tire now, I know my handwork.
But people they look at the Organizer and saying a dirty job. Now for people where their head no correct, now if you go do Organizer. But your head, be like your head correct now.
The truth is say, you know, say Nigeria na complex system now they live for here.
You know, you say like PG English, should be complex.
When we say the way we they live things for Nigeria, they different. It will surprise you to say, person when they do security job for America with the proud saying a gate man for America. But for Nigeria, say common gate man. So why as I said a very complicated issue now it be for Nigeria. Nigeria na place when be say what you they do for a living, people they commonize them. So the only thing people they appreciate for this country, we say if they go the other way around. Like I will tell somebody at times say if they unlawful to be lawful in Nigeria.
Unlawful to be lawful.
It is unlawful to be lawful in Nigeria. And if you're in a system where everybody is putting on black, the man with a white is a criminal. So people they do things rightly, the man they do and wrong they are criminal. So if you do things wrongly for Nigeria, they praise you to an extent. But thank God they don't come for Edo State.
And, not to confuse me. So for Organizer, they say that people wear head no correct. But I see your head correct. No, your head correct.
By the grace of God, my head correct.
Okay, so why the people they use that they look people say for Organizer that people we supposed to be in best side where people where they cast out like be good they do for Organizer, not true?
To a large extent, if you really go through the state or the nation at large, you go see some volume amount of people when they do this profession when be almost artistic. That be two way. But the issue be say because of the way the system till they go. I till they go be say 99% 0.99 believes they to be a vulcanizer or a tire service man or a tire service engineer or a tire service mechanic, you must be mentally derailed, you must be artistic, you must be broken-minded, you must be frustrated, you know. So those issues don't already there on ground. And they forget one thing. Say the judgment of that tire service man, the judgment determines the safety of your life and all the passenger vehicle or the occupants on the vehicle on the highway or even the goods. You see, I tell you all the time, you go fear afford say you not buy motor for your lifetime, but you not go fear afford say you not enter motor for your lifetime. And the man when in judgment day about that motor and that safety, now the vulcanizer and in judgment day over them. Buy tire made in anywhere in the world. If the vulcanizer they fit the tire, if it's wrongly, that vehicle will collide tomorrow. You go get accident, you go tire go explode, you go
The way
leak
you talk like say vulgarizer dey important. It dey important.
Sir.
No be to pump tire.
Sir, every citizen, every human being when they enter vehicle, motor vehicle, they are the mercy of organizer. Even the medical doctor, even the ambulance, even the truck when they carry fuel, even the lorry tipper when they carry ground.
How?
Because the tire when they drive on a vulcanizer as the manager. So if you wrongly manage your tire, you know where they go. And the life when tire incident, the cause, one, due to improper mounting by unexperienced tire service man will be vulcanizer.
They know the ability to see.
2, overinflation from the tire service man. 3, the bad condition of the road. 4, overloading, which is a culture in Nigeria. So all these factors, if you put them together, we don't say breaks the cause issue, tire breaks the cause issue. But regardless if I say breaks the cause issue, these areas, I'll call them say they very sensitive, because even the doctor when leaving house they run go work for emergency. If the tire when they in vehicle na problem, he himself will become victim of emergency too. So these all areas they on the caretaker of a tire serviceman or a mechanic. So the tire service profession is a profession that must be highly policed to make sure say those when they do the work, they will make sure say that they mentally and physically sound, because the profession big past the way people they look am for street. You feel say for 1 whole year say you don't enter Panabita workshop, for 5 whole years you don't go spray your car, for even 1 year you don't go mechanic, but you don't go feel stay for 1 year you don't check your tires, from one issue to another.
Well, yes, I want to gauge my tire. It was okay. I'll put out for 50. At times now, people where they pump tire, where they bring more to corner, they tell vulcanizer say, give her for 50, put her for 60, put her for 40. How they tell they know all this number? Whether they give those whole number to them?
Thank you. This whole issue, I go start from so many areas. One, it be like even drugs. They take paracetamol 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the evening. So nobody take 4, so I take 3, so I take 5. We say 2 on the work.
You say me for work well.
So that same issue they among the Nigerian factor. Okay. When we say the owner of the vehicle will come, he go tell you say pump my tire at this pressure range. Without saying not go check the vehicle capacity, because every vehicle, the white man or whoever be the engineer when construct that vehicle, don't test that vehicle for 2 years. They go blind and they go check it for 2 years. They go check the inflation. They go run it more to 220 to check the stability, to see how the tire fit absorb all bumps, how if it take grip the ground. You understand? So all these factors they on ground before the folk can give an inflation pressure maximum and minimum. Based on the occupant, some they go say only driver, 1 occupant and the 10 kg luggage. See how many you go pump on. Now if you get 3 passengers for back, the driver and one other passenger for front, and about 50 kg or 80 kg at it may be, see how many you go pump on. But the man won't get the vehicle because he don't know. He go come tell the vulcanizer when see the road when don't know. Wrong, they address wrong. Then at the end of the day, they go want now make the tire stand at in tip. Forget the tire need to relax. Because if you don't relax, you don't go grip ground. If you don't relax, you don't go this stable. If you don't relax, you don't go fit go through bumps. Make shock observer, in and shock work together. Because the tire and the shocks are supposed to work together in absorbing shocks and bumps and the road reaction. And if you step on your brake, the tire will expand to grip the ground. And if they go through curves, you cut your hand to 340 degrees, the tire himself will spread himself to grip ground, make it not skid. But this time you go by inflate time, because one way the tire there in tip. That time, if you set the car into motion, this same motor at times is not overloadable, because by right you're supposed to have 3 passengers in your back seat. Now they get 4 passengers in the back seat. Now the same boot now don't put almost 200 kg weight on top of her. Then the same thing coming to them. The same vehicle when inside into motion, you go put over 140 or 160, it don't climb speed. If you forget that the tire now they on the tip, the tire is not relaxed, it's not contracting, it's not absorbing the road condition. And if you forget say as the tire they go through like this, it is hot, heat they expand the air. So based on that factor, you get the tire go reach, the tire go explode, go give way.
Go burst.
It go burst. And based on this whole issue, if you see go back to that same tire, you go surprise you to say Nigeria as a case study, would they buy tire, they install tire without follow the condition of tire installment. One, for you to buy tire, first and foremost, you go check the capacity of the vehicle. This vehicle is it an SUV? Is it a passenger vehicle? Is it a sedan? Is it a saloon? Is it a light truck? Is it a van? You don't go check out. The other thing go check is say I need a 205 60 by 16, for example. Tire. Then maybe the motor you want to go put on. The motor maximum inflation at 38 psi. And you go buy tire won't be 36 psi.
So that made the motor high and the road no good.
No, you buy a tire now. The tire you buy on 205 60. The tire before the motor come.
Okay.
That same number I want buy, but you know go check the capacity of the how many kg. Now 945 kg. Now 1140 kg. Now they give it each tires to carry on the combined load. No.
Where
now,
the check cancel?
Oh, the tire carry all.
The door on top of tire.
The other side wall, the side wall of the tire, it is indicated how many kg the tire is designed to carry.
That is for new tire now.
Any tire at all.
Belgian tire, they see the right hand.
Any tire at all. So now, the inflation pressure for that tire, they give them 44 psi.
Now they fit gauge on.
They will gauge that tire.
Not be 50.
No, listen now. That 44 psi where they give that tire, so it not tell you so now 44 psi you go pump that tire. You now have to go back to the vehicle manual. If the vehicle manual tells you 40 psi, by tire law, you can't buy such tire. Instead, you look for tire that is 51 psi. The inflation pressure of the vehicle manual must exceed the tire maximum by 10. Like now, if your tire is 51 psi. That's right for maximum. So that tire should be installed on the vehicle that the maximum inflation is no more than 38 psi. So there will be more room for stability, contraction, absorption, and resistance.
Okay, like most of the vehicle they use, like all these 18-seater bus where they load go Lagos and all those. How many they supposed to they pump up?
That's a Toyota Yaris. A Toyota Yaris from the manual carry 50 for front, carry 55 for back.
Now they're supposed to gauge on.
Now with the inflation pressure from the manufacturer, from the manual.
Okay, what of...
then if you want to put tire, you go put tire going to be 65 psi maximum. Because why now van you want to put on? Because the long distance you go run, that heat, the expansion, the tire will feel resistant. So the tire will be 65 psi tire inflation maximum on the tire. Then the vehicle now 50, 55. 50 for front, 55 for back.
What of this normal Corolla vehicle?
Like normal Corolla, this one way they buy now this Corolla.
All those one way.
Mostly 99% of Japanese cars or the Toyota cars not the past 30, 32 for inflation.
So they're supposed to gauge on.
Because those cars.
32. What of all this Camry?
Camry the same range you did. Because even Camry before now, those early 2000s, most of them even are even 29. 26.
Okay, where the manual dey for motor, so that most people buy Belgian motor will not get manual, book manual. So where we fit say get the manual to know where to the how to the pump our tire and all those stuff.
You see why I'll tell you say the white man or the advanced was there ahead of us.
Okay.
One, the every vehicle get in book manual. But because of 90% of the cars when they come Africa, they come in as half-used vehicles abroad. Yes. But the manufacturer were wise enough to leave the inflation badges on the vehicle. The German cars get their own for the tank cover.
Okay, where do they put fuel?
Where they put fuel.
You open now, it did there.
The Japanese cars get their own for the driver's door pillar.
Okay, where seat belt?
Before the seat belt, it's there for the pillar.
Okay.
While you sit sitting on your front seat to drive is by the pillar there.
Okay.
The American cars did the same way too.
Where those ones there?
By the pillar too. Okay. Only cars that are German made all over the world, you go see them for that tank cover.
Okay, how they take the right and put in case they
go indicate them. If not 32, is it 32? You see on PSI.
Okay, that we speak gauge. But we don't see some people that they'll buy car, they'll say the tire, they'll say it's too low. You go change it to bigger tire. Okay. Change the rim, change everything, everything so that the motor go high. Anything wrong there?
So many dangers that involved. Firstly, to change tire or to uplift vehicle. So many areas they won't go look into. One, the safety of the vehicle needs to be looked at first. You first look at first of the vehicle. Because today, some vehicles, the tire when they give them, it outgrow the vehicle. It be like now, you carry 14-year-old boy, they give an insulated Caterpillar boot, make it wear. The boot, they control in movement, because it big pass in weight. The muscles cannot move that leg properly. So most vehicles today on our highway, the tire when they install on those vehicles, and the first cause of the vehicle problem for accidents. And unknown to them, say once you install too much big tire in your vehicle, the shock absorber go to die fast, the bolt joint, the down leak, the tie rod. Because why? The bigger the tire, the more reaction they give the vehicle from every bump and storm when they come through. Knowing too well, say vibration and shock weakens man and equipment. So those vibrations to that vehicle, they affect them. So you go dey wisely before you upgrade your tire or your rim. You must go see expert to know whether you want to go, so go they safe for you and other road users as regards safety. So all those issues come to play. Then if you come to tires today with the get now, like today now with the get tires now, the system same with the buy brand new tires, not true.
Yes.
But the issue of brand new tires now, we the vulcanizers, the tire service men, our hands are tied. Why? Because the amount of inflow of substandard tires into the Nigerian market in the fear us. Because why? You go see brand new tire in 8-9 months, you leave your chop finish. You're way off.
That means a fake brand tire, brand new.
But
tire.
it come Nigeria brand new. So if I really want to talk, I'm of the view and the opinion that tires should come on warranty based on condition. If tire get problem, you match them, the company should not replace. But if tire bend under a given time, the company should replace it. And this time they bring on Nigeria market. How many companies don't come Nigeria showcase a tire for 1 year? Share and give transporter, share and give private owners, make they use them. They make they get center for a year to the check that tire week in monthly to see how the tire life they go. To feel where this tire go fit measure up with our climate, our weather. Nobody they do them. Instead they push the tires in because we go back.
But they see some people they'll carry tire, they'll say tire where get teeth. Now good pass for road. So you buy and say tire where get teeth. You know what they talk now? So say the one way is smooth, the different one. So what will be the difference?
Tires be like clothing. Cloth they were designed for winter. Cloth they were designed for rain season. Cloth they were designed for summer.
You see, I felt that.
Tires they were designed for summer. Tires they were designed for winter. Tires they were designed for autumn. Tires they were designed for mode.
Which one will
Nigeria, as a case study, we need summer tire around the year because even when rain fall in 2 hours, sun don't come out.
Okay, how summer tire supposed to be?
Summer tires, the grips are not, they're not that aggressive. They're not that aggressive. They're very friendly. They're very smooth. You just like their own grip. But the winter tires get grips because the winter to go through them. Because if you don't get those grips, you don't fit grip for winter because now snow you won't drive through now. So even that snow tires, there's some tires now like some really cold part of the world. They get nails on top. So even they don't tie chain on top. So Nigeria, as a case study, will not even need winter tires. But if they come here for Belgium, so we will be the vulcanizer. We advise people when they use them. If inside town you they work, they travel, buy them, use them. But if they travel because the roads are hot, the sun they hit Kota they return them back. If they travel on a highway, if you look front for your front about 100 or 200 meters, you go see vapor from Kota. Now the heat they radiate. So that's telling you that the Kota they store heat like solar panel they store heat. So they give them back to the tire. When the tire they rub them and the engine they discharge heat. So everything now heat. And the tire now heat never create them. So by the time this issue they rampant, the guy go reach. Based on the fact that the tire felt they overinflated, the tire will give up. Like, look at the truck drivers today. All truck drivers, they overinflate their vehicle. Tires, when they for pumping 110, over 140, 160. Down at one. Motors will carry 25 tons, will carry 40 tons, down at two. The government is not saying that. Nobody is saying that. That same motor will come set into motion. Forget say gravity go react. By the time tire come explode, the motor leave ground, doesn't have which
Okay, state president, you don't really explain many things. But people, now as said, many of us would not be guilty of this thing. So not be wish they cause accident. I see talk around. Most of accident now we they cause of ourselves because of tire. Because I just see many will just drive reach you organizer. Some of them don't see no. Why some go no, go tell you say no, see how it go be. Because say you want money, you say okay, do one like this. So family give her money. But I bet time not today, they just say one thing. Maybe the last one.
Because all this whole issue now, by the grace of God, me and my executive now, they work with the Edo State Polytechnic, who say we want to bring all vulcanizers back to school. They need to go train them, give them rotation, make them know they are left from their right. We don't want to close them from work because we know say the services where they renter needs to do with life, and these lives are priceless. The life when they cause for Nigeria every day. He pass Boko Haram killing, but nobody they see him. So if I get my way, we'll declare state of emergency in the tire sector, even up to the new tires where they come in. Then today now we try as much as possible to make sure say vulcanizers, Polytechnic, Standard Organization of Nigeria, may they come back to school, may they teach them their life, their left from their right. If tire are bad, not fix them. Tell them, may you go buy them. I have 2-3 days, the man go see money, go buy entire. In life, go they save. Other user life, go they save. In passengers, go they save. Not be money first, and to live for tomorrow, now more important.
All right, thank you. No be money first, and to live for tomorrow, so that we dey alive. May we no go use our hand call or timely death because of tire matter. So we don't hear it now. But on that time, we'll see Brigham. He got that version where you go look into for tire matter, so that our people may dey wise, so that if they follow the rules and regulations. You don't tell us the gauge of your tire, the day your the manual, the day the wall for your motor. Some of them are for fuel pump side, fuel tank. Now there the cover now it is. So but we look those ones so that we'll fit tell the organizer way. Some of the way don't know what they do. You say see what you gauge my tire. So that you know you yourself know say for safety. I mean, so also our guy will carry you come again so that you will still tell us the other version. So my people, now so the matter be na Pinnacle TV. I be this one. Now stay tuned because many matters day where you will get for this our channel. Now subscribe to our channel. Now bye bye.
24 hours, 7 days a week.
For more exciting, educative, and entertaining programs such as Law and You, Talk Politics, Entertainment Gist, Relationship Talk, and other programs, keep watching Pinnacle TV. You can watch, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pinnacle TV Online. You can also visit our website at www.pinnacletv.com. Follow us on Facebook at Pinnacle TV Online or call us on 081